Expressions are a powerful way to manipulate data in Linx. We can use expressions to perform calculations, manipulate strings or dates, or convert one type into another one. In order to turn the property of a function or type into an expression, we need to invoke the expression editor option in the property dropdown. In the editor, we have access to all the variables in our process and can manipulate them in a variety of ways. For example, if we work with integers, decimals or doubles, we can perform calculations. We can concatenate strings or manipulate them using one of the many functions from the system folder. Help for functions is shown in the panel on the right. In the system folder, we can also find some helpful bits of data for our expressions. When we save an expression, the expression is added into the property and prepended by an equal sign. All property values that are prepended by an equal sign are expressions. When a value is an expression, the property contains an EX button that acts as a shortcut to the expression editor.